everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Muvhango from the 19th to the 23rd of September 2022 on Monday. Azwindini puts Susan and Rendani's life in danger. Mulumisi gets more than he began for. Zama fears his secret might be exposed on Tuesday. Azwindini and the company are hot on the heels of Mpo and Rosemary. Shares has noticed a new attitude in Elelwane that is directed toward him. Denamudzimu meets Azwindini at Dukatole and smells a conspiracy against him on Wednesday. Everyone panicked when Jose sees three men in the car watching the house. Vomasindi continued to struggle with pain and bed dream despite Mulumisi's muti. Shares is taken aback when she tries to thank Elelwane for doing a good job, and she retorts with an offhand comment on this day. Susan and Rendani head to Tate, followed by Tendamudzimu. Elelwane and Shares are a cat and a mouse, and their instincts are getting out of hand on Friday. James celebrates Tenda's arrest. Shares fires Elelwane. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.